So, good day everyone. My name is Fredsani Plasquita, and I'll be tackling the indolence and the Spanish colonial rule. So, this topic was explained why Jose Rizal write about Filipinos being called lazy during the Spanish period. So, first topic was indolence means laziness or unwilling to work. So, indolence means kanang tapulan or dili mo trabaho. So, during the kanang Spanish period, ang Spaniards daw kay ginatawag taog kanang ang Filipinos rather kay gitawag og mga tapulan og dili manglihok. So, Rizal disagree this statement kay kanang murag naay rason ang pagkatapulan sa Filipinos. So, we have two essays of Rizal. We have Sobre la Indolencia de los Filipinos in 1890. So, kaning Sobre la Indolencia de los Filipinos kanang sa kaninga essay niya nag-explain nga nung dili natural ang pagkatapulan sa mga Filipinos. So we have two reason nga no. So we have number one, hot climate. So as we all know nga ang Philippines kay kanang tropical country. So maglisod jud ta og kanang trabaho sa init. So kanang it's hard to work under the heat. So number two, we have abuse and unfair treatment. So kanang dili daw unfair ang treatment kay ang Filipinos kay under sa Spanish government. Maong wala ka sila na motivate og nawala ilang Filipino value. So, naabot tayo kanang unfair Spanish policies. So, we have one, tributo or heavy taxes. We have Filipino men were made to work for 40 days without pay. Kanang ang Filipinos daw kay need mo trabaho sa 40 days nga adlaw na walay kanang sweldo. Poloy serbisyo or forced labor. Filipino works hard but didn't benefit for their labor. So, nitrabaho daw sila nga murag wala. So, Filipinos are not lazy. We just need freedom, respect, and opportunity. So, kanang ang gusto daw ni Rizal kay sa kanang nga essay ni Rizal, he wanted people to understand nga dili tinuod kanang tapulan ang Filipinos kundi naay rason or tinuod rason nganong tapulan ang Filipinos before tamang judge sa mga Filipinos. So Rizal proved that Filipinos are not lazy kundi need lang jud ta og respect, freedom, and opportunity. So that's all for my topic, and Rayuna Sachi will be tackling about the Los Agricultores Filipinos in 1889.
Good day everyone. My name is Riona Sachiga Barral, so I'm gonna continuing the report of Mr. Pesquita. First thing first is Rizal linked two factors to the indolence of the Filipino. First was the limited training and education provided to the Filipinos for the Spanish government. So, the limited training and education is kay the government of the Spanish didn't give the Filipinos enough for education because they were afraid Filipinos might be rebel. So nahadlok sila sa mga Pilipinos nahadlok sila sa Pilipino if kuan sila sa pagkuan sa eskwela, kay mahadlok sila nga mo-reveal ang mga Pilipino. So second is lack of national sustainment of unity among Filipinos caused by the stigma the Filipinos culture was inferior to foreign culture, which compiled humble submission. So Filipino were made to believe their culture was lower than foreigner culture, so they become humble and submissive. In Los Agriculture Filipinos, Rizal praised the idea of developing agriculture in the Philippines to help improve the economy and people's lives. So si Rizal kay na-appreciate niya na-appreciate ni Rizal sa pagdevelop sa atong agriculture sa Pilipinas, so para ay aron makatabang og improve sa atong kinabuhi. When he was exiled in the Dapitan, he practiced modern farming. So he using fertilizers and better farming methods he learned in the Europe. Rizal wanted Filipino farmers to do the same Filipinos farmers to do the same so they could get better harvest. Rizal also talked about the problems of banditry and thief happening in farms. So gisgutan pod niya ang problema sa mga tulisan ug nakabantay siya nga ang Spanish guard did not protect the farmers and their lands. And Rizal asked the government to protect farmers and even suggested giving them weapons to defend themselves. So nag-ask si Rizal sa government nga tagaan ang mga farmers og mga weapon para para maka-protect sila sa ilang kaugalingon. And si Rizal kay nakita niya ang small changes kay di enough. So kay ang sistema unfair or dili patas og ang mga Filipinos kay needed og real help. So his writing remind us to fight for what's right and listen to the needs of the people. So nagsuwat si Rizal para remind nato nga dapat magpakalig-on ta og mulaban sa atong mga karapatan.